Respected investors, I want you to imagine a beautiful land with gorgeous forest scenarios, with a small but highly educated and multilingual population qualified with skills to innovate in any area. A country with a non-corrupted and stable political system, a strategic geographic location, and an extremely industrialized economy with high-end industries. What if I told you that this place exists, and it is willing to get more competitive, willing and needing to improve its internal market to be able to be part of the global market? This country is offering its knowledge, highly educated workforce, and advanced research development to get bigger and get the recognition it deserves. This country is Finland, located in the continent of Europe. As I said before, Finland is one of the least corrupt countries in the world, which contributes to having great political stability. Finland has a parliamentary democracy with a multi-party political system and a president as the head of state. It is also a member of the European Union. Finland is a firm supporter of the trade liberalization and a more competitive European Union. Supports efforts to boost free trade and the single market. Finland has been speaking up for a stronger, more unified and fairer union as best serving the country's interests. Its efficient business framework facilitates innovation and growth in productivity. The largest sector of Finnish economy is services, followed by manufacturing and refinery. The economy is innovation-driven and ranks high in digitalization. Finland is, for example, recognized as the leader of Internet of Things domain and ranks in the third place in the World Bank's 2018 reports of ease of doing business, receiving high marks particularly for the ease of paying taxes, the ease of getting electricity, the ease of registering property, and the ease of starting a business. Also, the embassy has worked to create an affirmative and robust trade and investment agenda that works to attract investment in America and creates new markets for the USA. Finland has a civil law system. European Union law is directly applicable and takes precedence over national legislation. Finland maintains one of the world's strongest property rights protection, and the quality of the judiciary and generically high. Even though there are no general restrictions of foreign investment or acquisition of ownership in defense industry companies and companies manufacturing dual use, they are subject to mandatory approval process. These days, Finland is not only looking for international companies, but also talented professionals and experts. In order to maintain our position as technology superpower, we are attracting international professionals to help grow our existing business, which through growth can tell also hire more local skilled staffs, says Antti Amon, Executive Director of Investment in Finland. It is clear that Finland has plenty to offer and things to learn. Nevertheless, it is not getting much investment from foreign countries. Consequently, with the decrease in industrial competitiveness, Finland invites you to believe, to trust on knowledge, innovation, and technology, which are key pillars to have in a country where you want to make business. Not only to produce and sell something, but to transcend the industry, to innovate and create new ways to connect globally. Therefore, we invite you to consider investing in Finland. If you don't do it now, you will certainly regret. Thank you.